and welcome to the next challenge in the 21 days of mindful living. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be talking with the mindful exercising, and believe me, you don't need this equipment for that. It could be simple exercise or it could be yoga, and to do any type of exercise or physical activity, the first thing we should avoid is, to make it mindful, is taking away these earphones or any distraction. In fact, we should not be even talking to each other or talking to somebody or singing anything. So first step is avoiding any external interference, and then of course we know what we are doing, why we are doing. Our purpose is very clear: to remain fit and healthy, and if we are healthy, then only we can be mindful. So let's identify some anchors. The typical anchors that we can see in here is we can look at some of the body parts or some of the stretching happening in the some muscles or some joints movement. Anything could be an anchor. So let's see, and of course a smile. So I'm going to use my smile and awareness about the body parts as my well-being anchor in this mindful exercising. And in any exercise or routine, we always start with a warm-up and then do the actual workout and finally the cool down. So I'll just do some part of this warm-up where I'll be using an exercise called the shoulder rotation. Let's try this together mindfully this time. My desired state of well-being today is gratitude or grateful, being grateful. Okay, for shoulder rotation, bring your hands in the front and then all the way here, breathing in. I rotate my shoulders, and then as I'm rotating, with every breath I can feel the movements in my shoulders. I'm grateful to the shoulders, to the elbows, to the wrists, everything that is being stretched. I'm grateful to all those things. And also being, and then reverse. So wherever I'm kind of forgetting that if I'm not being mindful or if I'm thinking about something else, immediately I come back to my anchor, which is which part of my body is moving in this activity. So if I just do the rotation of my wrist, now it's the wrist which is mainly I'm very aware of and being thankful. Thank you wrist, thank you my fingers, thank you my forearms, thank you my biceps. Everything I can mentally say thank you and feel grateful about it. So that's it in this, very simple. In the end, I can thank all the body parts one more time. The equipment if I have, or just even the walking will do. Even in walking, whatever muscles are being used, we can be grateful to all of them. So please go ahead and do this. And if it's already done your exercise, then I would suggest just do it one more time, maybe some little warm up. So hopefully you can try this exercise even today, mindfully, whatever is your routine, and share some experiences in our group. And if not, at least tomorrow morning, just do it like this. And if you're already doing it and you have some other insights, please do share. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.